Okay, so here it is. The Comfort Zone 12-inch oscillating table fan. You have to assemble it yourself. There's no fan blade. This thing literally came with no fan blade. How is that even possible? How is that even possible? I just thought I was baked, and I had to look through the package 14 times. That was fun, thinking I must have missed it. Nope, the friggin' fan did not come with fan blade. This is the second Comfort Zone fan that I've bought. I bought a 2-pack of 6-inch fans. One didn't work right out of the box, and the other one overheated and almost started on fire. Had I not been home, had I not been home, that would have started a fire. I strongly suggest avoid Comfort Zone fans.
Now the fan stays in one spot.
Just bought this fan. Brand is best and it's Comfort Zone and nothing turning on, it's plugged in. Nothing is happening. It's a lemon. Don't buy these guys.
This is my fan. It's completely broken. It doesn't spin at all. I tried to put it back together, but it ripped. I even see tape to put it together in the back, the plastic piece that broke, but it wouldn't hold. So I lost completely my fan, my brand new fan. Anyway.
This noise is extremely annoying when you're sleeping. At first you think it's dogs or another human. But then after a couple of days I realized it's the fan. So much for just white noise, right?
It's very nice. Not too noisy. I like a little bit of noise. The white noise puts me to sleep. I will sleep like a baby. With this blowing on me, making some calming sound. I love it. You should buy it now.
Going strong. I love it.